Only an admin is allowed to add a faculty. If so, click on the admin panel. Select staff members. Click on the add new option at the bottom right corner. Fill in the details of the faculty. Fill in the phone number. If you want to assign the faculty as admin, select the option Assign admin role to the user, then create faculty. If you want to edit any details, open the faculty profile, select the top 3 dots, choose the option of edit details, edit the details you want to, give permission. This is how you can create a faculty and edit the details on Intract.